In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use import and use them in Odoo online. If you need to bring a lot of information into Odoo quickly, the import feature can save you a huge amount of time. Instead of creating records one by one, you can upload a prepared file and let Odoo create them for you. This is especially useful when you're setting up a new database or moving data from another system. To begin, prepare your file. Odoo Online supports Excel files in .lsx format and CSV files in .esv format. Before uploading anything, make sure your file is clean, organized, and contains the columns you actually want to import. A well-prepared file makes the whole process much smoother and helps avoid errors later. Next, open the app where you want your data to go. This could be contacts, CRM, sales, inventory, employees, or accounting. The app you choose matters because the import will create records inside that specific area of Odoo. So if you're importing customer information, for example, you would open the Contacts app. Once you're in the correct app, switch to List View. Most imports in Odoo are available from the List View rather than Kanban or Form View. If you're currently seeing cards or an individual record, click the list icon to change the layout. This step is important because the import option usually appears from there. After that, open the Favorites menu or the Actions menu, depending on what appears on your screen, and select Import Records. This will open the import interface where you can upload your file and review how Odoo reads your data. Now, upload your file. You can either drag and drop the Excel or CSV file into the upload area, or click Upload File and select it manually from your device. Once the file is loaded, Odoo will analyze the columns and try to match them automatically with the correct fields in the system. At this stage, review the field matching carefully. Odoo may correctly connect columns like name to name, email to email, and phone to phone, but you should still check every mapped field before continuing. Even when the automatic match looks good, a quick review can prevent data from ending up in the wrong place. Then click Test to validate the import. This step checks your file for issues before anything is actually created in Odoo. If Odoo shows errors, correct them in the file and test again. Repeat this until the validation passes successfully. Once everything looks correct, click Import. Odoo will create the records, and they'll immediately be available for use in the application. Using this process, you can import contacts and customers, vendors, products, leads and opportunities, employees' price lists, inventory quantities, and even accounting data, depending on your permissions.